Hello, my name is Tatiana Riaño. I was born in Landazuri, Santander. I live in Bogotá in the Gative town. My birthday November 12th. I am a student and the children education. I'm 20 years old. My hobbies is sharing with my sister and my pet. I like dogs. My favorite food is Chinese rice. My favorite sport is the bicycle. My colors black and coffee. Bueno. I will repeat the presentation of Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Alveiro. This young man was born on the island of Madeira, Portugal, on the 5 February 1985. He is a professional soccer player. He is 35 years old. Carlin resident is mentioned in Madrid. His favorite is a churret cut with straw, potatoes, wrapped with an onion. His favorite sport is soccer and ping pong, and he likes to ride his bike as a hobby. His favorite colors for the uniform is purple. The family, his current partner is Georgina Rodriguez. Her first children, Cristiano Jr., has two twin sons who are Mateo and Eva. He has two sisters, Dini and Elma, and two brothers, Rodrigo, Hugo. His parents are Maria Dolores dos Santos, his mother, and his father, José Diniz Albeiro. Bueno, Cristiano Ronaldo speaks Portuguese, Spanish, and English. Handles euros, dollars, and pesos. Some of the typical dishes on the island of the Madeira is real limpets, marred fish steams. Thank you.